Hey guys, thank you for joining me today for part 2 of my holiday Rambler restoration. As you can see, I've been fairly busy destroying this travel trailer over the weekend. I started by carefully removing the aluminum siding as to not harm them in the obstruction of all the demolition you can see. I do plan to reuse them after I reconstruct a new stud wall. I will definitely have to remove the paint by applying a healthy portion of elbow grease in order to salvage this siding. After I removed the siding, I used a reciprocal saw, as you will see, to cut all the rusted out nails and screws in order to remove the stud wall and to keep it in one piece, so I can use it as a template to rebuild the new wall. It was definitely a challenge and not for the faint of heart. So please sit back, grab some popcorn and a Coke, and enjoy part 2 of my holiday Rambler restoration. As you can see, I've been fairly busy. What's that? Stupid funny stuff. No, you can join me if you want. We can put Lady in the video. Lady can make a good debut. Hey guys, thank you for joining me today for part 2 of restoring. I took off a lot of this siding. I've got to take off the rest of this siding. It's not going to be fun, but for the most part I'm excited for today because I actually am seeing some progress, even though it looks like we're going way downhill. But that's okay, because once I get this off, I know that I can put these studs back in, hopefully put this wall back on, and start on this side. So here is the Rambler siding removed. God, it's a sunny day, but it's cold. In the inside, that was a pain to get off. Alright guys, now that I've gotten all the siding taken off, I'm having to remove this outside wall. I'm trying to keep everything as intact as possible just so that I can use it for reference later whenever I'm actually piecing this back together. So I guess I'm gonna just walk you through what I'm doing. I'm taking these little steel plates off here for right now, and then I'm taking this handy old Sawzall, but taking it and cutting away all these nails on the bottom side. And my hope is that this will just kind of fall down because I think they nailed on top. They possibly either screwed or nailed down into the wall. So we'll find out when we get there. But for right now, I am wearing a mask because I don't like breathing in dust. So safety first. Having a little trouble. It's this linoleum skill saw.
Apparently that doesn't work either. Good old manpower. It's gonna hurt after a while. All right. Why don't I get a wedge? This saw and these guys, no resistance, just like butter, cuts it. Just like butter. Hey! Yeah! I may need to call in the reinforcements. Liz! Liz! You want my gloves? Here you go. Here you go. You can wave at the camera. Bum, 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 bum.
Where are you going?
All right. Looks like I need to put one more support up here. I'm basically just going to clean up from what I've done today, and I think that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching, guys.